Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at Knox, Indiana. We are doing Peppermint by Melka's. Not that far away from home today, so we're still doing mint. My golf cart's right here. Tubs are right over there. Tractor there. Payloader there. Semi over there. And Unit 1 is mowing. And Evan is chopping. Let me zoom in closer, you can see that. There you go. And Charlie and Nathan are over there. And I'm over here waiting for Tubbs. Close the doors and everything else. So it's a beautiful beautiful Tuesday, 11:49 in the morning. It's going to be a lot of fun. So it's almost lunchtime. Going back to the house and eat lunch. So you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you guys hopefully again soon.